how to turn off live videos notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off live videos notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here, and now click the storylines, then click settings, now notifications, and here you will find live and IGTV. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage live videos notifications, and if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just select this one and then just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.